Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this lesson, we are going to solve a few questions. So the first question is that x plus 50 plus 2x plus 3x plus 10 equals to 180, and the question is asking for you to find what is the x. So what I do is that I'm going to check there now and see which number I can add each other in left side on the left side and then leave the unknown alone. When I look at the x there, 2x there, 3x there, when you add them up, it's going to be 6x and then 50 plus 10 will give you 60 equals to 180. And then you leave the unknown alone, that's 60 to the other side as subtraction is gone. So 6x equals to 180 minus 60 is going to give you 120. And then x is still not alone, the 6 to the other side is division. X is going to be 20. All right, let's have a look at this question. This question is about angle. So from here to there is a straight angle, which means is going to be 180 degree. X plus 130 equals to 180. And then this to that side as subtraction, x is going to be 50 degrees. And then for y, the same thing from here to there is a straight angle too. Y plus 55 equals to 180, and the same thing this there as subtraction, so y is going to be 115 degrees. All right, the next question is about angles too. So how can I find the m and n? From here to this straight angle means 188 m plus 10 m equals to 180, and then I will get 18m equals to 180. Then 18 is to the other side as division. M is going to be 10. Then when I found the value of M right there, that is going to be 100 degrees and that's going to be 80 degrees. So because I put there 10, 8 times 10, 8 times 10, 80, 10 times 10, 100. And then from vertical angles, so this angle to M and this side is going to be the same, 80. And then the other side is subtraction, division, and it's going to be 40 degrees. And the next question is about complementary and supplementary. When I look at there, is written there, if two angles are complementary, so there is one P, means the, when you add them up, is going to be 90 degrees. So x plus 20 plus x plus 10, add them up and then equalize to 90 degrees. Now from here I have 1x there, 1x there and 1x here is going to be 2x plus and 20 plus 10, which is going to be 30 equals to 90 degrees. Then I leave the unknown alone. So this there as subtraction, that will give me 2x equals to 60. And then this there as division, 2. And then x is going to be 30 degrees. All right, let's have a look at another question. This question is about supplementary. Remember the first one was complementary. See, 1p. And in this question, I see 2p's. See, there are 2p's, each p is 90 degrees, means this is going to be 180. And you can see from the shape even, so it is a straight angle, means 180 already. And then you add them up, then equalize to 180, which is going to be 2x plus 60 plus 3x plus 40 equals to 180. Then I can add there's x's to each other and normal numbers to each other, which is going to give me 5x plus, so 60 plus 40 is going to be 100 equals to 180. And then I'm going to leave the unknown alone. This the subtraction is going to be 5x equals to 80. And then 5 to the other side is division. So x is going to be 16. Another question is the shape, so transversals. Transversals, in transversals, this and this will be the same. So then I can see from here y plus 65 is going to be 180 because straight angle, and this to the subtraction y is going to be 115 degrees. And then this and this vertical angles, x is going to be 65 degrees. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.